Hey guys, welcome back. We're gonna plant some sugar daddy peas today. You can see here behind me where we grow them up, the cattle panel trellis. I planted these 3 weeks ago. Got no germination whatsoever. So we're gonna try it again. And that's one thing about gardening, you do stuff and it don't work. Yeah, you do it again. You figure it out. Because if you want it, you want to grow it, you got to figure out what to do. And I'm not sure what happened. This is compost. Now this is not compost that I made. I found it on sale. I think it's $1.25 a bag. So I thought, well, why not? So I put it down, and I had what was it? Spaghetti squash here. It didn't grow worth a flip. So I'm gonna amend this soil. I'm gonna get some compost and put it down. Put my compost down, and then we'll plant sugar baby peas in it. And said sugar baby, sugar daddy. So everybody needs sugar daddy, right? All right, so I'm not 100% sold on this compost that I bought on sale. Sometimes just because it's on sale don't mean it's good. Because when I was back getting the compost, I got to thinking, this is the same compost as right behind me where I had the cucumbers growing. They didn't grow very good, but they did germinate. They did all germinated very well. So the seed that I used to plant this was the same seeds that in some of the other videos you've seen us stopping and eating on the sugar daddy peas as we went through. It's the same seed pack that I had ordered and got in, so they shouldn't have been old. But I've got a new pack that I got the other day, which doesn't mean it's new, because it could have, they packaged those and sent them all out, so they're probably just as old as what I got. But one of the things I got to thinking is it the compost that we're planting into. This looks like a lot of soil conditioner. Soil conditioner is just like pine chips, just ground up real fine, and it looks like it has a lot of sand in it, and I'm not real sure what all they put in it, but there is a big difference. Not all composts are created equal, so we're gonna put some of our compost down, and we'll do it and see if we can't get them to germinate. And see, when you gotta have a lot of compost now, don't you? Anybody ever used cotton hull compost? If you do, drop it down in the comments. Let me know what you think about it. I've done a little research to it, and seems to be pretty good. We're not too far from cotton gin, and talked to a guy the other day, and they have it piled up. So I'm probably gonna give that a try. Go get me a couple of trailer loads of it, and bring it up here and see what it does. But if you've ever used it, drop a comment down and let me know what you think about it. So now that we got our compost down, all we're gonna do is lay off fur and plant them. We'll find out. We got our compost down. The last thing to do in this is water it in real good. It's awful cloudy today. We got a chance of rain, but the only way I can be sure to make sure it does rain is come out here and water something real good, or decide to go crappie fishing, and then I get rain. But didn't have enough seed to finish out what I did, so I had some of the other seed that I had planted first. So I put it kind of down at the end and filled a few skips in. So we'll find out if it's seed or was the compost, or one way or the other what happened. Because I come through here and dug and I didn't even see the seed. So it just stayed in there and rotted. You know, I know when we're starting seeds in the greenhouse, we use Pro Mix. It gets very good germination rate in them. Some people use peat moss, but in our experience, the Pro Mix works much better. So we'll keep a check on it here. We'll see in a couple of days and come back and see what we get. Well, it's been about a month or so since we planted these sugar snap peas, and probably got about 50% germination on it. Something's still off on the soil. It's just not they're just not growing like they should. But what's here, it's time to get them trained to come up the trellis. So, well, we'll just keep doing and see what we can figure out on it. Well, that's gonna do it for this one. Hey, if you like what you're seeing, drop us a comment down below and like and subscribe and help us grow the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.